Here's how you can generate nested JSON structures using Mockaroo. Let's say we want to generate some data about people that looks like this. So each object is going to have a name object with first and last name and a friends array with a full name and a gender. How do we do that with Mockaroo? So here I have the default schema. Let's remove the ID field and let's put first name and last name in an object. The way that we do that, just do name.firstname and name.lastname. So as long as two fields start with the same prefix, they'll be put in the same object. So let's remove the other fields and see what we get. So you'll see in our output we have the top level array, and then each object has a name object. So let's put in the friends array. So for arrays, we have a field type called JSON array, and the name is going to be the name of our array, so we'll call it friends. And then the fields in our array, we just add them by doing friends dot and, in this case, name. So we'll do full name, and we'll add another field, friends.gender, and we'll pick the gender field. So we also get to pick how many friends we want. So the default is just between 1 and 5 picked randomly. Let's just say we want to confine it to 1 or 2. So here's what our data is going to look like. So here we have a friends array and gender and name in each. And you'll notice in Mockaroo, whenever you have gender and name, or gender and first name and last name, the gender should always match up. So for instance, you'll get a man's name when you have male, and you'll get a woman's name when you have female. Again, that's how you do it. So you just use these prefixes, and you can nest them as well. So if I wanted to do something like, let's say if I wanted to break out this full name into first and last name, just like we have in the base object, I could do that as well by just doing first name here, and then let's add another field for the last name. And if I do, instead of just name, we'll do name.last and name.first. We should get those fields broken out into a sub-object. So you just keep nesting, and you get these nice JSON sub-objects.